Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Honey. So, today we are going to do a general no contact reading. This is a general reading, guys, for all the signs, and this is a timeless reading. So, whenever you come across this reading may have some insights for you. Okay, so in this reading, we will see the overall energy in this connection of a no contact situation. Okay, and then your energies, your person energy, their thoughts, their feelings, what are the blockages here, what are the probable next moves, what is the outcome, and some guidance from the oracle decks. Okay, so please do stay till the end to see what is the guiding message we have for you. All right, okay, if you want a more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. Okay, you can reach out to me via email. My email ID is mentioned in the description of this video and also in my channel's info. All right, so let's see what do the cards have here. What is the overall energy in this situation of a no contact situation? What is the overall energy of this in this no contact situation right now? What is the overall energy in this no contact situation right now? What is the overall energy in this no contact situation right now? What is the overall energy? Okay, we will take all. Okay, got it. Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, and King of Swords. Okay, so here you are here. You know, it's here. It can be you or your person's energy. Okay, because this is a mutual energy. So you are focused on your growth, your emotional fulfillment, and being logical rather than emotional. Okay, something is completed here. Maybe the past cycle is ended, and now you are somewhere focused on looking towards your family, focusing your family, or if you are not, if you are planning to get married, this can be for very specific ki agar aap if you are planning to get married, then you are completely focused on your happiness, your long term commitment kind of energy. You are done with the things which are not giving you a commitment, and the connection which is not coming with a commitment energy or long term energy. You are not at all interested in that kind of connection. Okay, the casual stuff is not for you. All right, so you are thinking very logically, very practically, and you are very clear in your communication. You are very clear, आपको बहुत clearly पता है कि this is what I am looking for in a connection, और अगर इस connection से मुझे ये चीज़ नहीं मिल रही है, then I am not at all entertaining it. Okay, that is what I'm getting. You are looking for a long term commitment, a settlement. Some of you are planning to get married and actually thinking practically that there is nothing, nothing to look back, and now focusing towards your growth and your happiness, basically thinking logically, practically, and not emotionally. Whatever जो भी emotional clouds थे आपके आपके अंदर, जो आपको clarity of thoughts नहीं दे रहे थे, somewhere those clouds are gone, and now you are very clear in your goals, in your what is that you are looking for in a love relation or in your life. That is what I'm getting. And you are not afraid of speaking. Like if if there is something which is bothering you, or any past person or a mutual person is coming to you, you are not afraid of speaking what you are actually looking for in a connection. Okay, that's a very good energy. Something ended and you have accepted that closure, and now the energy is you are focusing on a long-term commitment. All right, let's move to what are your energies specifically now. What are your energies right now? 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 Okay. Yep. Not entertaining any manipulative energy, manipulative person, rather focusing on manifesting your own goal, your own dreams, and focusing towards what makes you feel good. You don't care if people are playing a victim in front of you. You are not entertaining it. अगर अगर कोई ऐसा person है जो आपको manipulate करके trying to take advantage of you, you can see it very clearly, and you are like, I am focused on my work. I know what I have to work on. I know where I have to use my energy, where I have to put my focus, and I will look forward to it. Things are moving slow in your life, but you are doing your best. It's like there is a slow and steady. You are focused on your finances, you are focused on achieving your goal, and things are moving a bit slow, but they are moving. Okay, so you don't have to panic, you don't have to get frustrated because of the slow movement of the things. Rather, you have to keep going, and you will ultimately get what you are looking for. For some of you, you are planning to planning something. Maybe आपका कोई हॉबी है जिसको आपने स्टार्ट किया है फिर से, and now you are focused and determined towards it. It's like you are using your best, you are doing your best. आपके पास जितने भी resources है, you are trying to make the best use of it and not getting manipulated by other people, by the critics. आपको इस चीज से फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है कि लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं या क्या कर रहे हैं. Rather, you are focused on your work, on your growth, on your movement, moving ahead in your life, which is a good thing to do. Okay, now let's see what are the energies of your person right now you are not in contact with. What are the energies of your person right now you are not in contact with? Okay, please clarify the Hermit card. Energies of the person. Energies of the person. Hermit. Please clarify the Hermit card. Energies of the person. Please clarify the Hermit card. Yeah. Okay. This person is somewhere left out. Okay. This person is feeling like, they are not able to express their emotions. They are feeling like, this energy of tired of trying their best to deal with the things, and now they are somewhere, they are trying to isolate themselves. If they are not, it's a very strong thing that they need to understand their emotions. Yeah, they are emotionally tired, emotionally drained off, not able to let go of the things. Yeah, this person is feeling heavy at an emotional level. They are not able to express their emotions, and they are tired of taking things ahead. It's like they have so much of responsibility, or they have taken so much of responsibility, that ultimately they are in this energy of how long I have to take all this. It's like that, and they are not able to let go. They are not able to let go of something. Let's clarify what they are not able to let go. What they are not able to let go. Maybe they are insecure about something, about you. They are insecure about you. They are not able to let go, or they can't. Yeah. Things are, how the things were with them before, it's not the same. And now this tough time is really tough on them. I don't know how to put it in here. कि इनका जो भी इनकी एनर्जी थी ना पहले, ये जितने भी पैशनेट थे, ये जितने भी स्ट्रॉन्ग अपने आप को पोर्ट्रे कर रहे थे, या एक्चुअली थे, आई डोंट नो, इट्स अ जेंडर रीडिंग, सो I can't say everything exactly here. So whatever this person was, now this person is tired of dealing with everything. Maybe जो भी इनके पास जो भी responsibilities थी पहले, and now they are tired of taking care of everything, everyone around them, and they are not able to let go of the connection they had with you, and it's a tough time for them. It's a tough time for them. They basically think that the things are not working how they want it to work. जैसा वो चाह रहे थे या जैसा उन्होंने प्लान कर रखा था, उस तरह से चीजें नहीं हो रही है, and things are moving out of their control. Okay, that is what I'm getting. This person is somewhere, I don't know, it can be for very few of you that कि ये person ना ये इस चीज को डील नहीं कर पा रहे हैं कि you are in this energy of moving ahead, thinking logically, not emotionally. Okay, this can be for very specific one. I don't know, I'm getting it very strongly कि this particular part especially will resonate with very few, that this person is not able to take whatever they have in their plate anymore. They are like tired of dealing with the responsibilities, tired of waiting for the right time to come, tired of waiting for the things to turn in their favor, and basically leaving everything for themselves. I mean, अपना खुद का ध्यान नहीं रखना और बाकी सारी चीजों को अपनी responsibility बना के आगे बढ़ना, and from that thing they are tired like anything. Yeah, emotionally drained, physically exhausted, mentally tired. That is what I'm getting. And at the same time, their heart chakra is blocked. They are not able to see clearly. They are, not able to focus on positive things in their life. Okay. All right. Let's see, what does this person think about you? What does this person think and feel for you? What does this person think and feel for you? What does this person think and feel for you? What does this person think and feel for you? What does this person think and feel for you? अगर ये आपकी एनर्जी है ना कि आप बहुत लॉजिकली सोच रहे हो अपने लाइफ में आगे बढ़ने का, एंड नाउ यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ अ लॉन्ग टर्म कमिटमेंट, देन दीज आर द एनर्जीज ऑफ योर पर्सन दैट दे आर नॉट एबल टू let you go. They can't see you moving on. Honestly, they can't see you moving on with someone else or in your life without them. Okay, that's a very clear message I'm getting here. Let's see, what are the feelings? What does this person think and feel for you? What does this person think and feel for you? What does this person think and feel for you? Okay, please clarify Two of Pentacles. Please clarify Two of Pentacles. Please clarify Two of Pentacles. Okay, got it. I guess you were with someone who has this commitment issues. They were dancing in, they were in a loop, not able to decide किस चीज को importance देनी है. Again, for very few and very specific of you, you were dealing with someone who already was committed to somebody else, and at the same time they had you, and they were not able to decide whom do they want. Okay, वो decide नहीं कर पा रहे थे कि उन्हें किस चीज, आपको चूज करना है या किसी और को चूज करना है. There was this overthinking energy, and they were in the loop. Sometimes they were coming to you, sometimes they were going back to the person they were committed to, and this thing was going on. Somewhere still this thing is there, that this person is not able to decide. Yep, this person is not able to decide clearly. They want peace, they want mental peace, they want to come out of this emotional turmoil. ठीक है, ये जिस भी सिचुएशन में है, they are not at peace. Okay, they are tired and they want to come out of this turmoil and move towards peace. And this person is thinking to take action. Maybe they might act impulsively. Okay, they might reach out to you, and there can be some communication which may sound or look like an immature energy. Okay, but this person is definitely not able to decide. Things are running in their mind. ये अपने mind में plans बनाते हैं. Maybe for some of you, ये person अपने mind में communicate कर रहे हैं कि this is how I can put up the things. मैं ऐसे try कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ, irrespective of gender here, कि this is how I can mend the things, or I can communicate, or I can do this so that I can be at peace, but still not able to decide. Not able to decide whether they should come to you or stay wherever they are. But they definitely want peace. Now it can be with you, it can be without you. Okay, now it's up to this person. Okay, but there is this overthinking going on. There is this energy of overthinking, dancing in loop, not able to decide what do they want, but they want peace. That is very clear. Okay, all right, I don't know what kind of energy you are dealing in or dealing with. Okay, let's see what is blocking this connection. If this person wants to come to you, what is blocking this connection? What is blocking the connection here? What is blocking this connection? 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 Okay. Please clarify, Eight of Cups. Please clarify, Eight of Cups. Please clarify, Eight of Cups. What is the blockage? Okay. All right. See, as I said, you are dealing with someone who is not emotionally happy wherever they are. And at times, they might get into this defensive mindset. Okay. They are, what is blocking the connection is their own mindset. Okay. They think like things are not in their hand. They cannot do everything. Their hands are tied. They cannot, सारी situation उनके against में है, and people are just trying to control them and control the situation. They are seeing things from afar and waiting for the things to happen automatically instead of taking action. Okay, but the truth is everything is in their hands. Once they come out of this defensive mindset, things will work out. All they have to do is take that take that one bold step which needs to which needs courage, which needs that passion, that confidence, that courage, and that adventurous energy to move ahead and move out of the situation which is not giving them emotional satisfaction, emotional peace. So once they come out of this victim mindset, my hands are tied, I can't do anything, and I am just going with the flow. No, they are just playing the victim game here. Okay, that is the blockage. They are being defensive. Maybe अगर ये communication होता है, again this person will be defensive. Okay, they will start defending themselves, they will start defending the situation, and maybe for some of you, maybe even the person they are connected to. Okay, so they are just waiting and watching. They are not doing anything basically, and that is what the blockage is. This person is not taking any action. They are just being defending in the defense, what do you say? They are just being in this defense mindset. Okay, and being in this victim mindset, not taking action is the blockage here from this person. Okay, all right, got it. Let's see what are their next moves, if any. Let's see what are their next moves, if any. Let's see what are the next moves will this person make, or if any. Will this person reach out to you in any way? What are the next moves from this person? What are the next moves from this person? What are the next moves from this person? What are the next moves we can expect from this person? The next moves we can expect from this person. What is happening? This person wants to come out, but they definitely are thinking a lot. Let's see what are the next move we have from this person. See, you should know, you should respect yourself enough. Yeah, this person will not make any move for now. They are stuck and they are comfortable being stuck. All right, they are not able to see clearly and they don't want to see clearly. They are very clear, like whatever the situation is, I'm comfortable with it. I can play this victim mindset, I can be in this defensive zone, and I can feel drained, but I don't want to take any action because things are not in my hand, and I will be here wherever I am. Okay, this is what the energy is of this person. Okay, you are dealing with someone who is not mature and courageous enough to take the steps they need to for their own happiness. Okay, so let's see what's the advice we have for you. I don't know what kind of energy you are dealing with, but yeah, let's see what's the advice we have for you. What is the advice we have for you? Looking at these energies, I feel that you are in the right place when you're thinking logically. You're thinking of long-term things in your life, because this person is not able to do anything or provide you anything you are looking for. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see what are the advice we have for you. What's the advice we have for you? Okay, let me use my this deck to see the advice we have. Let's see what are the advice we have for you. My cards are falling off. What is happening? Please, please, what are the advice we have? What's the advice we have? Yeah, you need to be ready. Okay, whatever you want in your life, you need to be ready to do that. It's like you are prepared, and now you are waiting for your ship to arrive so that you can jump on it. Okay, you need to work on your skills. Meanwhile, when you are still in this energy of waiting for your ship to come, work on your energies, work on your skill, work on your talent. Do what makes you happy. Okay, it can be, it can be learning a new skill, a new hobby, something new, and being in this energy of, the it's like you don't have to be in this energy of when pigs fly. Okay, just be logical, be practical, and I know sometimes you might be daydreaming about certain things in your life, but don't get lost in these kind of thoughts. Rather, try to use your time and energy on working on your skills, on your goals. Okay, maybe learning a new hobby or something. Yeah, be cheerful, enjoy your time, enjoy your own company, enjoy what you have, work with passion towards your goal, towards your whatever is that you want to achieve or you want to learn. Be passionate towards it. Be happy with whatever you have, because you are good enough, and you are, complete in yourself. You don't have to be in this energy of, not able to think clearly and see clearly. Rather, as I said, the Queen of Swords and Queen of Swords, think logically, think practically. You have got it all. Okay, it's like you have everything you need, and you don't have to, wait for other person to come in. As it, you need to come out of the daydreaming and work on your skill and be confident in yourself. Whatever you are, whatever you are planning to do, you will get success in it, because I see you are being very confident, you are logical, and you are, having that charisma to work towards your goal. Okay, yeah, your efforts, whatever you are working on, your efforts will definitely be fruitful. Okay, जो भी आप कर रहे हो उसमें आपको growth मिलेगी, आपको success मिलेगी. You have the support of the universe. Okay, and you will get the rewards of your hard work. Just be patient, don't give up, and focus on your goals, focus on your skills, and don't waste your time on the past energies. You don't have to sorry, wait for the past person or past, energies or past situation. Don't waste your time in all that. Rather, focus on your goals. Okay, yeah, that's what I see you should do. Don't waste your time and energy on the person who is not able to take a decision or take a stand to be with you. Okay, all right, let's take one more guiding message from the fairies deck. What's the message we have? What are the message we have? The fairies deck. What are the message we have? What are the messages we have from the fairies? All right. Solitude. See, think of being alone as meaning as you are all. As I said, you are all, you are good enough. You don't need somebody else to make you feel complete or make you feel whole. You are complete in yourself. Okay, and in total harmony with everything. The greatest treasures are those that wait silently during your quiet times. Okay, so that is what the thing is. Like, you are waiting for your ship to arrive, and you know that whatever you are working on, you will get the reward for that. You are complete in yourself, and you don't need to wait for anyone else to come and make you feel complete. Okay, it's like you have everything. Just enjoy your time, focus on your growth, focus on your skills, try to work on your talents, and make it a hobby or something you're passionate about. Spend time in learning that, upgrading yourself in that, and work towards your goal, rather than focusing on the past energies or the energies which are not contributing for your growth. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. Please do claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.